Hey guys, Noah here, and I wanted to show everybody that I got a new carpet cleaner today. It's a Hoover Powerdash Pet, and it's in the size of a Bissell quick steamer, which is the video of the one I found in New Jersey, but I no longer have. Yes, it was a Bissell quick steamer power brush right there. So this was right next to the high performance that I just cleaned right there. So, but then today I got this one. This was in my learning strategies classroom yesterday. Because it was in his, like, they were the Shark. First off, it was the Shark Navigator 0M over there, then the Hoover High Performance, and now this Hoover Powerdash carpet cleaner in the size of a Bissell quick steamer. So, yeah. So will this sound like a Bissell quick steamer? Let's wait for Noah Hackworth from January of 2016 to plug it in. Huh. What? Here's what it sounded like. Because that's how a Bissell quick steamer sounds. Let's get this one plugged in. Sorry, I had to get my hearing protection on. And I still can't plug the high performance in because the switch is supposed to be right there, along with the handle, and the switch is not. So let's pause the video. Yep, so that was like 5 years ago, January 1st, 2016. Let's set the Roku down. All right, so let's see what we got here. Let's see what it sounds like. Oh, it doesn't start. Try a different. Nope, no starting. Let's try a different outlet. The one over here. Oh, that outlet was working yesterday. Let's try the box fan. Alright, that works good. Do this one. No, not working. So, either it's a loose wire, or the tank is not, or a tank is not installed properly. No, I don't see any weird switch down there. I don't see a weird switch down there. Lower the handle. There we go, now it's on there. The damn thing won't start.